Thank you.
Swamiji, Namaskar. Other distinguished invitees, members of the Albay Academy. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this program organized by Albay Academy. I must congratulate and compliment Prasanthi for setting this initiative of webinar series on self-discovery, because I strongly believe that if youth are able to discover their true potential, the nation will be immensely benefited. Today, India is emerging as a very strong nation because in 2010 we pushed Canada to the 10th position and became ninth largest GDP size economy in the world. In 2015 we overtook Italy and Brazil to become the seventh largest. 3 years later we overtook France to become the sixth largest. And in 2020 March, just before the lockdown, we surpassed UK economy and became the fifth largest GDP size economy. While this is there as a promising development, what is concerning us is the poor per capita GDP, which means that in India, the poverty alleviation is halfway through. Millions of people are starving out of poverty or below the poverty line. And therefore, today's theme, the World Food Day, because it's a global problem and more so for India in particular, the consciousness, the awareness the Albay Academy wants to create in the minds of the people to respect food and not to waste food is something heartening. And there are three concerns revolving around this wastage of food. The first concern is the social concern, because while India can boast of being an young India, less than 20 years of age is 41% of 130 crore of Indian population. 20 years to 59 years is 50% of the population. 60 and above is just 9% of the population, which means India is a young India. But can we say it is a healthy India? The answer is no. We have a long way to go to catch up with health. We are ranked 145th in the globe as far as the health index is concerned. And that is the social concern. If, as Dr. Velan mentioned, 40% of the food produced is going unconsumed, is going waste. That calls for serious concern and measures. And as a youth power, Albay Academy has taken up this webinar to create that awareness is something heartening. This hunger and the malnutrition among the children has increased the mortality rate among the downtrodden and the poor. So that is the first cause of concern. The second is the environmental concern. The wasted food generally goes for earth fill, and it generates undesirable methane and also the carbon dioxide, which causes the climatic change, adverse climatic change. So even environmental perspective, food wastage is not desirable. It has to be composted. What is excess food and good for eating should be distributed to those who cannot afford to have meals, like our SRG is doing. Alternatively, it has to be composted. The third concern is the economic concern, which Dr. Velan himself rightly pointed out, and Mr. Sriram also was touching upon. So on an overall basis, everybody loses. The consumer, the businesses, the nation as a whole loses because of the food wastage, which is not desirable. So we need to create awareness and we need to change the attitude. We must change the attitude to make people to believe that we eat to live. We don't live to eat. So that awareness, that consciousness should be brought in among everyone. And I have three suggestions which Albay Academy can further promote. One is, more than any segment of the population, it is the consciousness among the parents, if that can be inculcated, because parents can inspire the young children, young minds at home, not to waste food. Then it becomes an habit right from childhood. That is the first suggestion. Second suggestion is, even in schools, colleges, institutions, just as you have for sports, and some of the institutions even have yoga sessions, there must be a session, mandatory session on food and water management behaviors, because both are very scarce. Water as well as food are very scarce. So the essential behavioral pattern for conserving food and not to waste food. So food and water management behavior should be a mandatory session in schools, colleges, and institutions. And the third and the last suggestion is, like we have blood banks where willing donors are able to give, and that is used for those who are in need for emergency or otherwise. Similarly, recently I had the privilege of inaugurating in the Child's Trust Hospital milk bank, because there are many children who are newborn whose mothers cannot feed for health reasons or otherwise. So all those children are given milk from the milk bank. So like milk bank, blood bank, society should consciously create forums like Albe Academy should promote creation of food bank, so that then and there, every time, like breakfast time, lunch time, dinner time, any time during the day or night, anybody is having excess food, good to eat food, should be deposited in that food bank. And those who are starving out of poverty will know this is the place where I can go confidently to get my meal for this day or this time. Like Azar is doing, forums, institutions should start food bank, and till we come over this poverty alleviation successfully. And in conclusion, I would say I must congratulate and compliment Albe Academy for taking up, imbibing, infusing thinking skills, emotional skills, and social skills among the youth by bringing in so many institutions and colleges to this platform. I am confident that the skills and knowledge will make you very confident, and your inner energy you will be able to discover, and you will be able to get the virtues of perseverance, hard work, and ability to come up in life. And your growth will be reflected in India's growth as a very strong economy. 19th century belonged to Europe, 20th century belonged to USA, 21st century must belong to India. And I'm confident all the youth, including the members of Albe Academy, will make it happen. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Namaste.